required funding. The inspiration night that we had
Hey, boys.
is just what galvanized
Hey.
the momentum to move this on.
Hey.
To secure some funding for these projects, and hopefully we have that bag. I have not
Hey, boys. Hey.
these doors.
Are you coming over to me here?
So excited that we managed to achieve.
What?
Dermot is delighted, and he's returned to Port Arlington to congratulate him.
Hey. Come on. Hey. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There's my girl. You're here. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, lovely. Want to be rubbed? Right.
Coming up, the volunteers in Believer have a pain of a job.
All I can see is that horrible moment in the old. Something happens and I just can't get that out of my head.
And in Dunshaughlin, they take on the weekend challenge.
This isn't down there, friend. Hey. Hey.
Dirty Old Town in association with the Juma Smet Colour Project.
Oh, yeah.
With colour.
Hey.
We state preparedness to operate a
Come on.
Right now, some
Come on.
substandard accommodation.
There has been systematic failure to really take
Hey.
Some also
Come on.
their tenants are withhold.
Come on.
That's prime time Thursday at 9:45
Hey.
on RT1.
like essentials for babies.
Hey, you. Hey, you. Whoops.
But once
Get
they're
this
gone,
back up a bit.
they're gone.
No.
What's the best for your kids? You give them milk for healthy growth with
Come
calcium,
on.
strong bones and
Get
teeth.
starting flying.
You also need vitamin D to absorb calcium. Just one glass of Avonmore Super Milk a day gives them all the vitamin D they need. Avonmore Super Milk. Let your little heroes shine.
A quick click for you, intense concentration for her. A simple look for you, a mental adventure for her.
Yeah, what are you doing? You playing 3 more, yeah?
That's why she needs 4 times more iron than you. And the milk is just for her. Cow & Gate Growing Up Milk contains this iron for better iron absorption to support brain development. Cow & Gate Growing Up Milk.
Come on, lads, let's go. Come on, 100%. Get stuck in. Don't let me down again, bro. Come on, go with it.
Snickers, get some nuts.
This shade is not made to save.
Hey. Oh, you're getting jealous here. Coming to the view, is there? Coming to the view.
80% more color with
Yeah. Are you coming over too? You come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Well, you want me to play with you, yeah? You want me to play with you? Right. Right. Want to play with that, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Hmm.